Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable sensitive content on Telegram. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram app. Now tap on the three dots line in the left side of corner. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy and security. Now swipe down. And guys, usually there is a disable option here, but if you don't have, then don't worry, because now I will show you the another way. So go back and go to your any browser, then tap on the search bar and search Telegram web. Now select the first one. Now tap on the three lines in the left side of corner. Tap on settings. Tap on privacy and security. Now swipe down. So guys, here you will get your disable option. Now just turn off the option and then your sensitive content will be disabled. So guys, that's it. That's how you can disable sensitive content on Telegram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.